Today I am going to pair two styles that are very similar again. This is a headband roll and an eternal roll. The eternal roll doesn't really require any accessories, just like a pin or two. The headband roll, of course, takes a headband, and this one is small for me, but unfortunately I don't really use this style of headband, so this is all I have. So we'll start with that, and it is basically just taking sections of your hair and literally wrapping them through the headband. And I believe that this would work better on a shorter hair. The eternal roll is good for long hair, and this I think is better for medium to long. I'm just picking up pieces as I go, and I think I will try to keep it even by starting on the other side now. One section all the way under, add a little bit. Under. So yeah, that's the basic idea, and I guess you would ideally put the headband somewhere around here, but that's gonna pop right off my head. So you can start further up so you have enough space to actually wrap all of your hair around it. Hopefully that's sufficient to give me the idea of this style, because okay, so I'm gonna start up here and start rolling. Add these sections as smoothly as I can, because that will be visible.
Yeah, that's why I've been trying to eat whatever I did last time. So, make my arm swings a little bit faster and get a few more wheel hands. I'm right at 7 minutes left right there. And I don't know, I think those other exercises, I'm okay being right at the 7 minutes.
Twisting. Go right around where you already went. I'm going to put a spin pin in here. You can kind of tuck it in. So it's really just one continuous roll. Oh, Garrick, how are you going to pick them all up if you make a huge mess like that?
I'm working on my character development piece now.